In this video, we're going to talk about allied angles. So when we have two parallel lines, we also have a U shape. You can see here. Well, you can call it as a C shape too, of course, but the idea is it's going to be a C, it's going to be a U, or it's a mirror image. But when you have this shape, you can say that the angles inside will add up to 180 degrees. So you can say A plus B equals 180 degrees, and we call these angles as allied angles. Now the idea is that basically you have B as corresponding angles here. This angle and this angle, these two are equal because they are corresponding angles, right? And when you look at here, you can see that A and B actually form a 180 degree angle, a straight angle. So basically, in fact, A and B are supplementary angles, right? A here and B here are supplementary angles because they add up to 180 degrees. What happens is, when we have this U shape and we have this angle, yeah, this one and this one all together, just because of this fact we just discussed, we will say that these two angles add up to 180 and they will have a new name, which is allied angles, right? So this is the only property in angles and parallel lines that you add two angles to find out 180, right? Others are, alternate angles, they are equal, corresponding angles, they are equal, vertically opposite angles, they are equal as well. So this is the only one which you're supposed to add two angles and find 180 degrees. Now let's see an example. Now let's say this is 109 degrees and the question is, what is this angle? Right, as long as these lines are parallel here, you can always use allied angles. So you can say 109 plus x equals 180 degrees, right? And then you can say, take away 109 from both sides, only to find x to be 71 degrees. Or you can just use arithmetic. You can just go like 180 minus 109 equals 71. So this is your answer. Now, whichever method you use, the algebraic method or the arithmetic method, it doesn't matter. You have to give the reason. You have to say in brackets, these are allied angles. That's why you can do this operation. Just because these lines are parallel, these angles become allied angles, so you can add them only to find 180 degrees, or you can take away 109 from 180 to find the size of x. As in this example, right? So you just notice the U shape, you make sure that the lines are parallel, otherwise you can't use this. So you say, 180 minus 52 is 128 degrees. So M is 128 degrees. Reason, allied angles. Reason is important because in IGCSE they always ask the reason. So you have to mention it. Now it's your turn. Please solve these questions on your book and submit your answers online. Thank you.